Man, I try not to stay in the local news or the things that I hear on the news. But this been going on 10 days. And this is Gary, Indiana, and all the little, cities and towns around it. They don't make any sense. And, when you're thinking about the demographics there, we know the real deal. We know why. Yeah, it's 11% Caucasian, but what? The other percentage. That is crazy. I remember here a few years ago here where I live, and we had an ice storm, and we was out of power in certain parts of the city. But it wasn't 10 days because they got this together. You know why? You know why? Because the percentage is turned over. You understand? That's why. The percentage is not 11%, Caucasian and 85%, black and brown. Yeah, the percentage here is a little bit more of the Caucasian. That's just true. That's just true. Haven't heard of in the local news until a few days ago. Yesterday, day before yesterday. And I've been holding back on saying anything about it. But man, we are living in some times today. And if you don't see what the hell is going on, you've been blind a long time. I try to stay away from it, but it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. We got to do better. We have to do better. And we don't even realize that, we call it democracy. It's just a word only. It's really socialism. It's like it's like I heard the saying, I'm the guy who loves you masquerading as your best friend. Right? I'm the guy who loves you but masquerading as your best friend. Wow. Socialism, not democracy. It's not for everyone. You dig? It's not. Not just socialism, classism, financially, all that. Peace.